Okay, from last tutorial we do have external file.txt in a local directory, so let's learn how to write to file one line and how to append multiple lines when we run this script, well, multiple times. So we do need option to solve any kind of, or to detect any kind of error, so this will be in a code, and also finally block of code. Why not? Let's just have it right here. It's not creating us any kind of problem. So we don't need creation anymore. I'm gonna delete this. And the thing is that we need another class here, which will be file writer. So import Java input output and file uppercase V file writer. And now we can construct object based on that. So file writer, and let's have some name for this operation, or handle, or object. Yeah, just like from a last tutorial, like file obj. On the right side we're gonna have new, again file writer. And what is the target here? Already existing external file.txt. So now when we have that object, we can use it to write to file. So file obj.method will be write, and some string, for example, I will end up in external file. Okay, but also that's not enough, because we need to close file when we are done with operations. So file obj.close. So this is like manual saving or closing file in Notepad, let's say. And also we can print something on a screen, so we know that something is happening, like systemout.println operation done, operation of writing done, operation successful, or something like that. Okay, we can fix this code a little bit. This is actually nice, I think, this arrangement of sub blocks. Yeah, something like that. So let me run this code, and hopefully no problems will be detected. So run and operation done. I'm all over the place. That's from here. So let's check that file. Right click on default packages, for example, properties, open, and external file is there, and line is in here. Now, what if you wanna append multiple lines, or if we run this script multiple times, like 1 time, 2, 3, 4? Well, pretty much nothing, because this code will be used to just write one line and that's it, so no appending. So how you're going to activate appending actually? Well, it is extremely easy. Just here we are going to say comma and true, and appending is activated now. So let me run this once and twice and third time, and now we're gonna have 4 inputs, 4 lines, 4 of these lines in a file. But they will be concatenated because I was not using /n, which means go to next line. See, concatenation, ugly as hell. So let me delete this in a notepad, and we are going to change this code a bit here. /n, which means go to next line when you are done. And let me run this once, twice, and couple of more times, so 4 times. Right click, properties, open, external file, and there you go. That's how you write to file. Okay, but what if you don't have this external file? Well, in that case, let me see what's up. I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm going to say run. So this code will actually create file if there is no that file there. It will work, but also code from last tutorial, it will work. So 3 times I have clicked on a run, play, so I'm gonna have 3 lines in a file as a result. And if you wanna just write, like overwrite, let's say by destruction of previous content, you can just remove this true and when I change this to x66, for example, then everything will be destroyed in that file. It will be created again with only this string. So properties, bam, external file, and there you go. But for most of the people, they will need, for example, to add something. So true will get the job done. And let's actually go to more nicer string here. So yeah, run, one more time, check, and open, and external file, and there you go. Okay, so thank you for watching. As always, see you next one. Thank you for support and subscription. And in the next tutorial, we are learning how to read content of a file. So thank you and see you there. Ciao.